company resource page allows you to upload and organize company resources. These resources could be shared with your employees or limited to specific user types within Dominion. The company resource page can be found by going to Company, General Setup, then Company Resources. Before you upload a resource, you'll need to create a folder. To do this, select the Add Folder button. Once you have a folder added, you're ready to begin uploading resources. There are two ways you can upload a resource. The first is select the Add Resource button on the Company Resource dashboard. A window will pop up. If you're uploading a document, select Browse and find the file that is stored on your computer. Otherwise, if you're uploading a link or video, enter that information in the URL field. Once that step is complete, enter the name of the resource. Then select the security level you wish to apply to the resource. Specify which folder you'd like the resource added to, then click Save. The second option of adding a company resource is to select the folder you wish to add the resource to. Then select the Add Resource button. From this page, you can edit, delete, or download the resources by hovering over the resource and selecting the three-dot icon. When selecting Edit, you can edit the name, the folder, and the security level. You can also download the document by clicking on the resource card. To return to the list of folders, select the folder link in the top left side of your page. If you need to delete a folder, you do have this option. However, the folders must be empty in order for you to delete. If you select the Delete button, you will be prompted to move those files before you're able to delete the folder.